Al-Mufid, Book 1, page 7. The title, Da. Da. The common mistake when saying this letter is to pronounce it as Ta. Ta, which is the third letter of the Arabic alphabet that we learned in this book. That's a different letter altogether, so the right pronunciation for this letter is Da. Da, which is similar to the first letter of the English word dad. Da. Da. The other common mistake is to say it with heavy pronunciation, that is to say do. Do. Again, make sure that you pronounce it short, sharp, and light. First line, ha, ho, da, ha, ho, da, da, ja, ho, da, ja, ho, da, da, ho, da, da, ho. Second line, tha, ba, ho, tha, ba, ho. Da, da, ta, da, da, ta, ta, da, ta, ta, da, ta. Third line, ha, da, tha, ha, da, tha, a, ta, da, a, ta, da, ja, ha, da, ja, ha, da. Fourth line, a, ba, da, a, ba, da, da, ta, ja, da, ta, ja, ha, ho, ha, ha, ho, ha. Fifth line, da, ta, tha, da, ta, tha, ja, ha, ho, ja, ha, ho, tha, da, tha, tha, da, tha. Now we read all the letters that we learned so far in alphabetical order. Remember that the only heavy letter is the letter kha. The rest are all light letters. A, ba, ta, tha, ja, ha, ho, da. Again. A, ba, ta, tha, ja, ha, ho, da. We read it faster. A, ba, ta, tha, ja, ha, kha, da.